I'm Patricia Grillo. I am the co-founder of Northern Pet Products, aka Northern Biscuit Bakery.
My name is Maria. I'm a supervisor of a packaging department.
We have distribution across Canada and to the US. We have some distribution in Taiwan. Our online store has grown tremendously, so that's a huge market presence for us right now as well.
So here we are in our packaging line. As you can see, the cookies, once cooled, goes through to the metal detector.
We use the AutoPilot from Squid Ink. We use the box cartoner from Squid Ink as well. And we hope to transition into bigger units, which is the CoPilot by Squid Ink. So we reached out to Dave at Dependable Marking, and Nick deals with Dave, and it's just a great company to deal with. It's affordable, more than any other machine out on the market.
Well, I'm Dave Frenette of Dependable Marking Systems. We're a distributor of coding equipment, casing equipment, labeling technology. What we have here is the AutoPilot Series of printer. This uses a solvent-based ink. It also has an oil-based option.
Everything has to be traced back to the minute of when each cookie is produced.
So the bags are coded, and it's more legible for the customer. So it includes the best before date, the code on the day that it's made, right up to the exact minute of when it's packaged, which really helps with all USDA requirements, CFIA requirements.
Since it's actually a high resolution printer, probably about, I think it's 200 DPI, so it can give you quite a good logo.
Here you can see it's a very nice dark print, even on a brown substrate, but it still stands out and it's still very legible.
The CoPilot series has proven very reliable in label replacement. With the high resolution technology, it's very simply printhead, ink, that's it.
This is a controller for the said printer. Basically, just by a simple touching, you can create the platform for what you need to print, whether it's the date, batch, lot number, Julian date coding.
So now we're at our box cartoner. It actually tapes our boxes and codes it. It shows the flavor, the size of the bag, the code that it was the day it was made, and the best before date. And so this is really true to the grassroots of our business.
Right now, they're in the process of upgrading their messaging to go from this common text, even though it does show the batch code and the date code. They're going to be moving forward with some more explicit details as far as ingredients and barcoding.
This is a case coding, show the store or distributor what's the flavor, what's the size, and how many bags inside.
We've got our CoPilot mounted on our Eastey conveyor. It's terrifically convenient for that because the tie-in for an encoding system to match for barcoding purposes. We need to match the line speed with the printing capabilities of the printer.
As far as their distribution, they've got a huge distribution network across North America and overseas as well.
One of our goals for our company, it has always been our goal, is to make good, healthy products with natural ingredients and packaging that is earth-friendly. That's nice to have partner with Dave and Dependable, and so we look forward to continued relationship.